Hi everyone. Microsoft Teams is a great platform that helped us stay connected and remain productive while working remotely. But what if you could make it even more efficient? An app like Home Pro is something that Microsoft Teams has needed for a long time. Home Pro is an all-in-one Microsoft Teams dashboard that pins on top of your sidebar menu, giving you access to your recent documents, your favorite teams, and your favorite applications. In this video, I'll show you the basic features of Home Pro app, as well as explain how it will help you stay even more productive. So to download and install the app, I'm going to have to search for it in the apps section in Microsoft Teams. And here it is. As I already have it installed, I don't have to follow the instructions on the screen anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and press open. And as you can see, it is pinned on top of your sidebar menu right here, on top of your activity, chat, teams, and other menu options. So it will be right on top for easy access to it. This is what you see when you first launch the app. I already have some of my events of the day displayed here. I can easily schedule a new meeting by clicking here. On the right, it shows all of my colleagues, and I can easily contact them personally or also schedule a personal meeting with them. It's very nice if you're working in a large organization. There is always a picture right next to their name as well as their title. Then down here, I can easily access all the files that I have recently opened in this tab called Recent. And I also have shared with me files right here, all very easy to access just with one click. And on the right here, we have all of the Teams Pro applications that I have installed. And then down here, I can add my favorite channels by clicking Browse Channels. And let's say I want to add marketing and communication / social media. I click Validate, and it appears here right away, so I can access it anytime I want. As a nice little bonus, Home Pro always greets you with a positive little message here in the top left corner, as well as shows you the current weather conditions in your area, and current date and day of the week. Now that we've covered all the basic features of the Home Pro app, let's run through all the ways in which it helps you stay more productive and save lots of times on everyday tasks while working remotely. First of all, you save lots of times looking for recently opened documents or documents that have been shared with you. You have a great overview of all of your events, so you can keep track of everything you have to accomplish during the day. You can easily access your favorite apps with just one click. You can also add your favorite teams in order to always stay connected with your colleagues. And as a sweet little bonus, you get real-time weather conditions in your current area. While working remotely, we can sometimes face access of information we don't really need or we don't use that often. And what Home Pro does is it helps you gather everything that's important and put it in one page for you to easily access it anytime you want.